Hi, everyone. I'm Katie, and I'm going to show you a little bit about the marketplace where you can find a multitude of templates right at your fingertips. So here we are on the marketplace all page. Here's where you can see all of the different templates that we have to offer. We have pipelines, organizers, folders, chats, SMS, emails, proposals and engagement letters, jobs, tasks, signatures, and invoices. Here we can look at just pipelines, just organizers, just our folder templates, chat messages, SMS, which we do not have any of right now, emails, proposals and engagement letters. We have some jobs, lots of tasks, a couple of signatures, and no invoices yet. We're still working on adding many things to the marketplace, so just keep your eyes out because things are being added every day. Also know that anything that TaxDome uploads is for free, but any firm is allowed to upload their templates and they can charge whatever price they would like. So first, you should know that anytime you download or purchase a pipeline, you're going to get the entire package. So anything that is involved with that pipeline, whether it is organizers, folders, tasks, chats, etc., are all going to come with that pipeline. So when you download that pipeline, which we're going to do now, we're going to go ahead and get this 1040 return pipeline. You're going to see that it comes with a proposal, a job, some additional client-facing statuses, tasks, an organizer, no client requests, but there are some chat messages that'll be automated, a couple of emails that'll be automated. They don't have any SMS set up for it. Invoices, recurring invoices, signatures, but we do have a default folder set up for it. You can also download just the organizers if you would like, or any other category as a one-on-one if you would be interested. You can reach us at the community if you have any questions or at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a great day.